Hello children, get ready for your art class. Today we'll learn Diwali craft. In this Diwali craft, we'll learn wall hanging. This is the wall hanging, see? And these are the required materials. Children, see the required materials. Now let's start. First you have to draw one big circle on an ivory sheet with the help of compass. Like this you have to draw. Then little bit small circle like this. Then you have to cut the line of the circle with the help of scissor. Next you have to cut the inner part of the circle. Like this you have to cut. See how I am going to cut. Neatly you have to cut. Now cutting is over. See the shape now. Next you have to take the cut piece ivory sheet and you have to fold, then you have to draw shape of diya like this. Then you have to cut. In this way you have to cut 6 diya. See here, there is 6 diya is there. Next you have to fold the colorful sheet and take the measurement, draw the outline. Like this. Here 4 sheet is there. Then you have to cut like this.
You have to cut like this. So in this way you have to make different colors diya. Then you have to paste on this cut piece. Like this you have to paste. So here I have made 4 colors, 2 pink, 2 orange and blue and green I have made. So you can use any color also, that is up to you. And this is flame. You have to cut yellow color flame. Then you have to paste top of the diya. See here how I am going to paste. See, now like this you have to paste. Okay. Then with the help of marker, black marker, you have to do like this. And you have to do the outline also. Then inside you have to fill the black color like this. And you will do the red colors outline here in this diya's flame. Then you have to paste here decorative materials. I am pasting here small piece of mirror. You can use any type of decorative materials. Now diya is ready. Next you take small piece of ivory sheet and one circular shape. Make one circle here. this is I am making colors. Now upper part of colors, this is leaves. Now drawing is over, then you have to cut the outline with the help of scissors. Now cutting is over. Then you will take glitter sheet. Here I have taken yellow color glitter sheet. Then I am taking the measurement of colors. Here I have taken the measurement of colors. Then you have to cut the outline of the glitter sheet. And this is green color glitter sheet. I am going to take the measurement of leaves. Same way you have to cut the outline. Now cutting is over. Then you have to paste. Like this you have to paste. Okay. Now pasting is over.
Next you take colorful sheet for flower. Then you draw a drawing of flower like this. Then you have to cut the outline of this flower with the help of scissors.
Now cutting is over. Then you have to stretch lightly with the help of scissors like this. Then the shape of flower will be come originally. See here, it is looking like original flower now. Okay, then you have to do the outline with the help of black sketch pen like this. In this way you have to make different color flower. This is one more design flower I am making. You have to do like this the drawing. Then you have to cut the outline of this petal. See here. Then you have to join with the help of Fevicol. How I am going to pasting, see one by one. This is petal of flower. Like this, one after one you have to arrange the petal like this. Then you have to stretch with the help of scissors. Same way, lightly you have to stretch. Next you take any colorful sheet or magazine sheet, strip, and in this way you have to cut. Then you have to roll it. You have to roll it like this. After rolling, you have to paste like this. And same thing you have to paste in middle of the flower like this. Okay. Now all things are ready. You have to assemble now. See how I am going to do. This is ivory sheet strip. पतली strip ऐसे काटना है. And you have to paste like this in ascending order. See how I am going to paste. Locate like this. Now see how I am going to arrange the materials. You have to paste colors here. Next diya, you have to paste diya like this. See how I am going to paste. See here. Here I am pasting orange color diya. See, you have to follow the step how I am doing. Like this you have to paste. And you have to arrange the flower also. See how I am going to paste the flower. In this way you have to arrange the flower. Then you have, with the help of red marker, you will do the lining like this. And one strip you have to paste in colors also like this. Then you have to decorate with the help of black marker. In this way you have to design. You can paste decorative material also. Now your hanging design is ready. Wow, it's very nice now. Thank you children. Have a nice day.